Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and a tropical outlook coming up for you. Both the Atlantic and the eastern Pacific basins are showing some signs of activity here. Spotty severe weather concerns also showing up across parts of the nation, and that western heat wave will be building once again, especially as we head into the end of the week and weekend. So the National Hurricane Center keeping an eye on this particular wave. Actually, a high probability of tropical formation over the next 5 days. We'll watch that as it drifts northwest. Also, two different waves having a high probability of tropical formation within that 5-day period as well. Both of those are drifting west and northwest. Yesterday, we had a few showers and storms bubble up across the Midwest. Again, some hail and high wind reports also across the mid-Atlantic states. But today, severe weather threat across, well, the front range of the Rockies and into Montana and Wyoming, and also into Minnesota. We have a slight risk of severe weather, and then a marginal threat encompassing the Ohio and Tennessee Valley into the Arklatex region. Better chance of damaging winds across central Minnesota late this afternoon. Also maybe seeing some hail. And then by Thursday, look at that, an enhanced risk of severe weather across most of Wisconsin. Could be an active afternoon and evening there. And then on Friday, marginal threat over the front range of the Rockies, also through the Ohio Valley and eastern Great Lakes regions. So watching the shower and thunderstorm activity bubble up within the heat and humidity, and they will continue in the overnight hours. Those nocturnal thunderstorms again, mainly with some wind damage and some very heavy rainfall. Precipitation values could be a little bit heavier in pockets to the far north. Also looking at pockets of heavier rain as you get into the southern U.S., out near the Arklatex region, and even into the eastern U.S. Look at Charleston, West Virginia, up to a little more than 2 inches. Meanwhile, the excessive heat continues to build in the southwest. Look in Phoenix, up to almost 120 by Friday. Also starting to see some spotty showers and thunderstorms develop. Monsoon season is certainly here, and that excessive heat looks to be building to the far north